Alright, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today I've got one from Japan. This is an Umai crate. There's a company called Japan Crate, and they do all sorts of different subscription boxes full of different things from Japan. This particular one is centered around instant noodles. At the end of this video, take a look. There's going to be a special announcement. There's a contest so you can win one of these, so check that out. Alright, with that, let's crack this thing open and have a look inside. And here is what we're greeted with when we crack this sucker open. As you can see here, this is the October 2018 Umai crate. So the first thing to check out is this pamphlet. Why? Well, without this, there's a good chance you're going to be in the dark. This has all sorts of information about how to prepare all these varieties and a little bit of background on each one. So very, very useful if you want to eat these noodles. Next, we've got a recipe card. That's a new upgrade that these boxes have added in the last 2 months, 3 months. That's pretty cool. All right, so the first thing out of the package is something called Banshui Noto Somen. I'll read to you about it. Somen noodles in hot soup is called Ramen. Somen are thin Japanese noodles made of wheat flour. DIY your own and add your favorite various vegetables and meats for a filling fall meal. Oh wow, next we have a sauce. This is Tarako udon sauce. It's a sauce. Let's find out about it. In a hurry this fall for a quick meal, make this scrumptious udon dish covered in rich and flavorful soy sauce that will leave a smile on your face. Tarako is a common noodle topping that is a blend of mentaiko and cream. This dressing is a speedy way of enjoying this Japanese favorite. So it's mentioning to pair this with the somen noodles. So, okay, that sounds good. Alright, next we have an ace cook variety. This is yuzu somen. It seems like they're kind of going a lot on somen so far at least. Well, let's read and find out about it. Yuzu is a citrus fruit, closely resembling a grapefruit and a mandarin orange. Take your taste buds for a spin with this somen, dressed with a light, refreshing yuzu fragrance. Alright, next we've got one from Itsuki. This is the Kurume ramen. Again, I'll read. According to legend, Kurume style ramen was developed when a chef accidentally overboiled his broth. The resulting brew was so flavorful that today Kurume style ramen shops still recycle their old broth in this way. Kurume broth retains its richness and doesn't require the addition of extra fat. Make your own flavorful Kurume ramen at home. Alright, next we've got one emblazoned with this guy. This is Michio Kawamura. He's a radio host and he's all about natural food. At least that's what I've kind of gathered. And yeah, let's check out this one. This is a Nature Ramen Sesame Soy Sauce. If you're a fan of sesame and soy sauce, this ramen dish is for you. A seemingly simple flavor profile, sesame and soy sauce are key ingredients in many Japanese dishes, and this one is no exception, and will leave your tummy satisfied. Alright, we got another Ace Cook product. This is wakame udon. Wakame is a sea vegetable. Udon is the thickest of all Japanese noodles and was first introduced in Shinoku by a Buddhist priest called Kukai. Try the hot version with wakame, a type of seaweed, on a cold fall night. This udon is in a rich and flavorful bonito and kelp broth for a deep, savory taste. Alright, and here's one from Kenko Foods. This is a brown rice ramen, and I've had brown rice ramen before and it's been so freaking good. I love it. Great noodle. Feel the guilt of eating noodles a bit too often? Then this brown rice noodle dish is for you, and it's packed with plenty of rich sesame and miso flavors. And finally we have the bonus item for this month. This is instant onigiri. Instant onigiri is a popular staple food in Japan made from white rice formed into triangular shapes and is often wrapped in nori. Make your own this fall conveniently in 15 minutes with this new food invention. Take it with you on the go or pair it with your favorite noodles for a delicious and filling meal at home. The fluffy rice and savory salmon pieces will make you feel like you picked it up at the konbini yourself. Alright, so in this box you get wakame udon, onion broth, brown rice genmai ramen, kurume ramen, some somen, a sauce to pair with the somen, yuzu somen, instant onigiri, sesame ramen, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, cool, and yeah, like I said, you can win one of these. Look in the description, it'll have all sorts of info about it and a special contest where you can do a couple things and increase your chances of winning. Pretty rad. And if you want to buy one of these or do a subscription, I've got a coupon code for you. Are you ready? Alright, well that was perfectly sane. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.